Page 88, Prelude number 15. This is in the key of B flat major. Go do my scale video on B flat major and G minor while you're at it. Common time or 4/4 time. Let's kind of take both hands together and see what we got. You're starting out with multiple voices here. So you hear whole note, hold that down as you play the rest of these. If you're going to use second finger on the E flat, I recommend thumb on the D. I can do a 1, 2, 1, just so I don't have to use the thumb, especially when you got short notes. It's easier actually once you get it learned, once you get in the habit of using different fingers. So I can go 1, like so is what I recommend it. And the left hand, here you're stuck with a wrist here. Let's just get the notes and the fingering all that first here. So we got a lot of notes here. It says here, and then you can lift up. See, I held the B flat down here, and now we're going to go down 2 and a 5 here. So watch your fingering, it works fine. And then here, 5th. We're kind of doing the same thing. It's a 4th finger again. You're doing the same you did up here at the beginning. Now you're doing it down here. All black keys there, and then here, and here. Have fun. Add in the articulation and the dynamics. This is like a here we are, da da da. You know, so at the beginning you have an accent on the whole note, give a little extra, and then these staccatos are not real short staccatos because of the nature of the piece. When you have a loud, proud piece like this, you don't do short staccatos. You give proud staccatos, whatever that is, and then you have this tenuto. Hang on to that, don't cut it short, and then another accent. Tenuto, and then another accent. And this crescendo up to very loud. Now you're very loud with accents. I think that's an overkill. The idea is really more with the accents is we're going to separate these chords, which we'd have to do anyway, but here, and then the movie starts or whatever it happens. So it is a common interpretive style is when you have note after note all accented, like the last 3 notes here are all accented, is you could separate the notes and it helps to bring out the accents just a little. And here you don't really have a choice because they're chords. You're gonna. Unless you use pedal, we're not using pedal here. But you'd separate the chords just a little bit. March style, it's a processional. You're coming in and ta-da, we're here. Tang, ta-da. It's up to you on how you interpret it. But my sto-so is majestic. And that's sort of what it sounds like here.